Yeah, family. So we're at Sarit Center now. We're about to get this Dr Mattress from a Jamaican sister. I'm so excited to have a Jamaican sister as a family here. Very, very excited family. So guys, if you want to get this feeling, link up with Jam Tour Africa. So we're actually in Westlands family. Westlands, Nairobi. Westlands, Nairobi. Yeah, fella, this is like the parking lot. Yeah? Where's the sweetie? Oh, you want upside? Upside is right here, I think. Eh? I think upside is better, sweetie. It's more international. Yeah. It's on this side. Let's go here. Yeah, upside. Or Stambik. Yeah. Alright family, so let's go. Yeah family, so we're actually in Sarit Center, and you know our Jamaican sister is at the ATM drawing the money for the rent, and you know, so she can move in family. So we're gonna go to Dr Mattress actually to show you you know, some beds and stuff. So let's go. Baby shop. It's a liquor store here. Yeah, nice leather bags. I thought it's like those one, right? Nairobi. Yeah, family. So our Jamaican sister need a bag. I mean, actually, this is like a leather store. Leather store. Leather store. It's a tote bag. Tote. This is like a Kenyan brand. What name? Alpha? Adelphi. Yeah, Adelphi Nairobi. Yeah, it's nice. The leather look nice on you. That leather. That leather is so nice. Tote. Tote. Laptop bag. Dark brown. Walk in it, sweetie. Walk. Right, look. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah. It's nice. Yeah, it's nice. So she's getting that leather bag, leather wallet. This pink one. Got this green, sweetie. Alfred. It's actually made in Kenya. Kenya. Yeah. Yeah, family. So just pain and stuff, and then we'll go to Dr. Mattress. Just jam towards is hungry. Yeah, family. So I like this one more. Alright, family, let's go. Kingston, Jamaica. We're coming with this. Kingston, Jamaica. Yeah, family. So our Jamaican sister get a nice bag, leather, real leather, made in Kenya. Yeah, family. So what we're gonna do now, we're going to the M-Pesa shop to deposit the money so we can pay the rent. Alright, so let's go. Actually, the M-Pesa shop is right there. M-Pesa shop. M-Pesa shop is right there. So M-Pesa is right there. Jamaican sister, we have to make sure we get the best. As you know, Jamaicans, we like the best. Only the best is good enough. So we're actually at Dr. Mattress. So let's go inside. Let's go. Oh yeah. Wow, you like it? Well, you can try a different mattress. There's a different mattress here. There's different mattress.
This is Contour Royalty. Our own is Contour Pro. This is Contour something. Yeah.
Yeah, this one is a little bit low. I like this one. If you know, we should buy our bed here.
Yeah.
We buy the mattress here and then.
Look at this brown. The little one.
Which one? This one. Wow, I like this one. I think maybe we have to maybe sell those base with and buy a base here. And that size is a queen size. But this one is a little bit too small, isn't it?
The bed looks nice.
Yeah, the bed looks nice. I like the bed. It's nice. Yeah, the brown. Yeah. So you like it,
These
sweetie?
mattresses are so different, depending on what you.
Yeah. Yeah, family. So in Dr. Mattress family, they have different type of mattress. It all depends on what you want. I like my mattress to be very hard and tough. I don't like it to be soft. So it all depends on what you like. Yeah. Yeah, I like my mattress. I like my mattress to be hard. When it's hard, it's good for the back.
This one is a bit.
Too sinky. Yeah. When it's too sinky, it will damage your back. Yeah.
Oh, this one doesn't have
The bedside thing.
together with this.
So everything is together.
Bedside.
Thing is that this, I'm not sure if this is going to change.
No, it won't change. These, no, I don't think so. Yeah, these people, trust me, they're the best. They don't want it one peel, I'm telling you. Eh?
I don't think this is real leather.
It's cut there already. There's a cut there.
Yeah, it's not real leather.
Yeah.
It's imported too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or there's others on that side to either if you want. Not really. Place the other side around there too. Yeah. Let's call a rep. Oh, so what? The base is different from the. Yeah.
This was the initial price,
Yeah.
and this is the current price, right?
Mhm.
For everything?
Okay.
For the
base
mattress,
and this?
this for the mattress, this for the bed.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
So the total for the bed and mattress is how much?
225.
That's how it is?
Yeah.
Ah,
You understand?
okay, okay.
So the price.
This is the one that we have here. This is the one that we have. Yeah. Don't know if you like it, but let's see. Our mattress.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the one that we have. It's yeah. Eh? Hot? No. Eh. So she like our mattress with the one that we have.
Oh, you have our mattress. It's very nice.
Yeah. Let's call the guy and see. Oh.
It's a really cheap bed frame. Can't manage.
That's
That one is going for 81,000 for discount, and we are extending 20% off, so it comes to 64,800.
64.
6,500.
64,000. It you have an option for 9.5.
Oh, 9.5, okay.
This is good.
Okay.
I like my mattress.
Yeah.
How much is this one?
That one is going for 64,800 for free.
So you can choose the color. Oh wow. You like design, you can change the color for that bed
She
frame.
looks to get a pillow from you.
A pillow.
Yeah.
How much we pay for our bed frames? It was like 50 something.
Bed or mattress
The bed frame. It was 50 something for the bed frame.
at Gong.
Yeah. I wish you did come here and just buy one of these frames. Guy. That's a mess up. This is a king. I'll take this one. And the base. I get the nice base. This is the base that we have. That's what all we need is just a frame now, because we already have the base.
No. One, two, three. Yeah.
How much for this frame alone, without the base?
The bed.
Because we already have the base, and we have the mattress.
Mattress.
We just need to have just the bed. Yeah, just the bed alone, without the base. 70,000. Okay. Yeah. But maybe we can find a way to maybe sell that blood clot base. Let's we put it up for sale and get one of this. That's what we'll do, family. That's what we'll do.
Our thickness is a thick mattress, right?
Yeah. All right, family. So we think we settled for that mattress and that base. So, family. So we actually
This is
checking
going for
out pillow.
750. This is 700 grams.
Dr Mattress
We also
pillow is the
have
best pillow.
900 grams going
Can I
for
see that one?
the 900 grams.
Yeah.
This is
Yeah, a little bit more fluffier than this.
Oh yeah, it's bigger. Yeah. 1,000 grams.
Much fluffy.
Fluff. It's a fluffy pillow.
Fluffy one, yeah. You need this
Yeah,
one
family,
for
so
your neck. He's been complaining of neck.
It's just because I'm using the computer in a different way.
Yeah, thank you. Right here, when they
Because this people is 1,000 grams. Let me get you the 900.
Yeah, 1,000. Yeah, that one is very fluffy.
Yeah.
Very fluffy.
That's more fuller.
yeah.
Very fluffy.
This is much better.
That one is the 1,000 grams. That's the largest they have.
Yeah.
It's the largest family. So we actually settle on everything: bedside table, mattress, and bed. So we're just finalizing everything now.
Do normally have two standards, European standard and Kenyan standard. The difference is
Yeah, family. This is like different type of woods, different type of wood for the bedside table. These are different types. And this is, as you can see, this is the bed.
Yeah.
for the mattress, there's a difference.
Do they fit?
Yeah, families, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. We're at Dr Mattress and we actually get our Jamaican sister everything that she need. Actually get her a bed, a mattress, bedside table and pillows. Also pillows to family. So we're just gonna organize now, pay and get out of here. So we wanna go to the food court to eat because from there we'll be on the road eating. We haven't eaten anything. I don't know, I eat just one meal a day, so I haven't eaten my first meal yet. So I'm hungry. So we're gonna go to the food court to eat after this. So let's go. Yeah, so this is another place family she can go to get her homey stuff. Yeah, home bags family. So we're actually going up to the food court family to get something to eat because we haven't eaten for the past maybe 5 to 6 hours. So this is like the food. Look at this one. This is the East Indian one. Yeah, family. So we're actually at the East Indian restaurant upstairs, the food court at Kafo. I was gonna take my special that I normally get. Yeah. All right, let me have. You have passion drinks, right? Just take one.
I just know.
Let me have a large. Hey family, so the food arrived. And Miss Jam Tour is having her favorite. I am having my favorite. This is a vegetable samosa. So, Jah bless this food. Bless it as we eat. Yeah, family. So we actually finish eat and we actually leave in Sarit Center at what time is it now? 9. For the entire day, we actually out getting our Jamaican sister things together and stuff, family. So we're actually leaving now. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Like, share and comment. We are out. One love. Jah bless Jamaica.